Did they just send you the clippers?
They did, man. Every time I look up, the clipper game just keeps getting better and better. You said the high drop?
High drop fade.
These clippers right here are kind of quiet. As far as I'm concerned, these things come hitting out of the box.
You said what?
They come hitting out of the box.
If you knew that.
You can't even like press down. Like I'm putting this guideline in, like you want this high on the side drop fade, right? Mm-hmm. But I can't like press like directly onto your skin. You know what I mean? Because that's how sharp they are, and they're already like zero gap. So I'm like kind of like just barely pushing, man. And I'm trying to do it in a way where I'm trying to be as light-handed as possible. Like I really don't even want to ball out with these because they're so crispy. But I'm just showing the viewer here, the people that are watching, that you can ball out with these. But because they're so like sharp and close, I'm like really using this light. This is my first time using them.
How you like it?
I'm loving it. Because, like I said, these right here, they are so sharp and so crispy. I wouldn't even ball out with these. I would just use these just for edging up. Because they just coming out the box hitting. But like I said, the people that are watching this online, I want them to see that these things ball out crazy. And just for this video, I'm just doing this with these, but I will never be using them to ball out again. That's for sure. Because I know that what kind of edge ups, what kind of lines these clippers right here will give. Or excuse me, these trimmers, what these trimmers will give. Because I'm like, when I press real light, I'm like barely touching right here. Try not to make it touch your skin, because if I do, when I get ready to fade it out, I won't be able to get that line out because these things cut so crispy. Fresh out the box, Hittin right out of the box. Yeah, that's my review so far. That's my review on these. They hitting out of the box on these trimmers. These RECON trimmers are hitting out of the box. This motor is like really, really fast. And because it's fast, you get a faster blend. It blends out faster because it's making more strokes per second. You're taking less strokes. I'm trying to feel, yeah, this one ain't hot either. But this is the clipper though.
And then I go on for 2 months. Right.